Listen up, entrepreneurs and dream chasers. Forget the old rules, the internet has changed the game. Social media isn't just for sharing selfies and cat videos, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. You can make serious money online. This is the age of the side hustle. You can build an empire from your phone, no fancy degrees or big investments needed, just hustle, passion, and the right strategy. Social media levels the playing field. Everyone has a shot at success. Think of it like this. Social media platforms are your free global storefronts. Millions of potential customers are scrolling through their feeds every day. Your job? Grab their attention. Show them what you got. Whether it's handmade jewelry, killer graphic design skills, or expert advice on dog training, there's an audience for everything. You just have to find yours and deliver value. This guide will show you how. Buckle up, let's crush it. Choose your battlegrounds wisely. Not all platforms are created equal. Some are better for monetization. Instagram, king of visual storytelling. Monetize with sponsored posts in your shop. YouTube, the world's second largest search engine. Earn through ads and merchandise. TikTok, growing like crazy. Focus on entertainment and trends. Twitter, real-time conversations. Monetize with sponsored tweets. Facebook, massive reach. Monetize through ads and marketplace. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on one or two platforms. You've chosen your platforms. Now it's time to build your online presence. Think of it as setting up your digital storefront. First impressions matter, so make it count. Profile optimization. Choose a catchy username that reflects your brand. Use a high-quality profile picture and cover image. Write a compelling bio that clearly states what you offer. Include relevant keywords to help people find you. Content is king. Post consistently and provide value to your audience. Mix it up with different content formats, photos, videos, stories, live streams. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Branding consistency. Maintain a consistent brand identity across all platforms. Use the same color scheme, fonts, and tone of voice. This builds trust and recognition with your audience. Remember, your social media profiles are an extension of your brand. Make them visually appealing, informative, and engaging. Section 4. Building your tribe, attracting and engaging followers. Here's the secret sauce. Content is king, but engagement is queen. You can have the most amazing content in the world, but if no one sees it, it doesn't matter. You need to build a loyal tribe that resonates with your message. Consistency is key. Post regularly to stay top of mind. Find a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it. The more you post, the higher the chances of your content being seen. Engagement is everything. Respond to comments and messages promptly. Ask questions to spark conversations. Run polls and quizzes to keep your audience engaged. The more you interact, the more invested your followers will become. Collaborate and conquer. Partner with other creators in your niche. Cross-promote each other's content to reach a wider audience. Guest post on other blogs or podcasts. Collaboration is key to growth. Building a strong community takes time and effort. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value. Section 5. Monetization magic, turning followers into income. Now for the fun part, turning those followers into cold hard cash. There are countless ways to monetize your social media presence. Sponsored posts, partner with brands to promote their products. Transparency is key. Always disclose sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn a commission. Sell your own products or services. Ad revenue, monetize your content through ads. This requires a large and engaged audience. Section 6. Real-world success, social media money-making machines. Don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals and businesses are crushing it on social media and raking in the dough. Here are a few inspiring examples. At Humansoftny, started as a simple photo blog on Instagram, showcasing the stories of everyday New Yorkers, grew to millions of followers and now generates income through book deals, speaking engagements, and merchandise sales. MrBeast, YouTube sensation known for his outrageous stunts and philanthropic challenges, earns millions through ad revenue, brand deals, and his own line of merchandise. Jenna Kutcher, Instagram marketing guru who built a multi-million-dollar business teaching entrepreneurs how to leverage social media for success, offers online courses, coaching programs, and hosts a popular podcast. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories out there. What do they all have in common? Passion, hustle, and a deep understanding of their audience. Section 7. Your journey starts now. Embrace the social media hustle. Making money on social media takes work. There's no overnight success. But with the right mindset and a willingness to put in the effort, anyone can build a profitable online presence. Find your passion. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? Focus on a niche that you love and that excites you. Provide value. Your content should provide value to your audience. Educate, entertain, inspire, or solve a problem. The more value you provide, the more engaged your followers will be. Be patient and persistent. Building a following takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as needed. The social media landscape is constantly evolving. Embrace the challenge, stay ahead of the curve, and never stop experimenting. Your future success depends on it. Now go out there and crush it.